Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. Back to Basics is a series of videos where I'm teaching you how to do things from scratch, and this is so we can avoid buying pre-processed food from supermarket that is full of nasty ingredients. In this video today I'm showing you how to make very basic American pancakes, and if you're one of those people that do buy pre-packaged pancakes, you probably find out they consist of 19 ingredients, which is pretty crazy considering that the normal pancake consists of about 5. So guys, without further ado, let's proceed with the recipe. So we will require 1.5 cups of flour, 1.25 cups of milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of baking soda. You'll require a bowl, a whisk, and optional golden syrup. So it could not be easier like any of the recipes, guys. So we've got flour. Put the flour in, and then we're going to mix some baking soda. Give it a good whisk. You can add on salt if you wanted to. It is optional. I am avoiding that. Okay, mix it all well. We're going to now pour in our milk and an egg. And let's whisk it all together. Make sure, guys, you incorporate all the ingredients well. Okay, and the consistency of pancake batter. So now I'm going to add on a dash of golden syrup. It is optional. Okay, you can add on sugar if you wanted to, but golden syrup does give it that little bit of a nice caramelized flavor. And of course, you can do other things as well. You could add on some cocoa to make them chocolate. The possibilities are endless. Right, mix it all in together. Okay, so that's that. Nice and smooth, that's what we're looking for. And now we're ready to cook our pancakes. All right, guys, so frying pan's on the heat. Next thing, let's spray a little bit of oil. You can use oil of your choice. Okay, make sure the frying pan is warm, okay, before putting your pancakes batter in. And now, spoon the mixture in. Okay. You can make them as big or as small as you like. So you can see now the bubbles starting to appear, which is a good sign. Okay, they're getting there. You can have a look and getting some color underneath. So now when you see the batter is settled at the top, okay, let's turn them on the other side. There we go, look at that. That's what we're looking for, nice golden color. And you might just be able to see that the baking sodas actually make them puff up, which is exactly what we're looking for. You will soon know when they're cooked because they will be golden brown on another side as well. So now we can just take them up and serve them. So guys, this was as simple as that. It only took us 30 seconds to mix the batter and a couple minutes to cook the pancakes. For any of you who would like to have the pancakes in the morning before going to work, I see the appeal of buying them pre-packaged, but you will be pleased to know that you can freeze those very, very easily. All you have to do, let them cool down and then put them in a food bag and then shove them in the freezer. On the morning, you would like to have them, take them out like half an hour in advance, pop them in a toaster, and they'll be as good as fresh. So here we are, guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video. And please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.